See if we can get a cheese pull out of this one. A little bit of a cheese pull. Let's give her a taste. Mm-hmm.
I want some.
That's pretty good.
Let me try.
Here. Hello, OFT family. Today is our weekly wheel winner challenge, which was Supreme Pizza Bites. So, to get started, I'm going to saute my vegetables. The vegetables of choice for me are red peppers, onions, mushrooms. Let me get those on a pan. You want them nice and soft. Those are going to take anywhere between 10 to 15 minutes. Let those saute. And in the meantime, let's get our biscuit dough ready. So this calls for a tube of biscuit dough. Let's get this open. Help if I tried the right end. That was explosive. All right, so I'm using the flaky layers. Get those on your cutting board. And you are going to take each one and cut it into little bites. See? Put those in your bowl. You're going to do that with all the biscuits. And I have greased a muffin tin for these. These are going to go into a muffin tin. I did grease it even though it's a non-stick. There's a lot of cheese in this, and I want to ensure that they come out cleanly. So I did grease it. And this is a Supreme pizza. So we've got ground beef, pepperoni, and then our veggies, which are the red peppers, onions, and mushrooms, and then different kinds of cheeses. We have all of our dough in our bowl. Okay, let's check on our veggies. Once the veggies are done, we'll be back to check the next step. We are back. Our veggies are done and very, very soft. As you can see, we're going to add that to our broken up biscuits. Okay. Move this up here so you guys can see better. I'm going to add the pepperoni, and I've got ground beef in here. Add those as well. All right. I think I need all the meat. Next, our cheeses. We've got mozzarella. We've got shredded mozzarella. And I'm measuring with my heart with the cheese, folks. I'm just going to do a couple handfuls. And then I've got fresh mozzarella too. Okay. And my husband will be like, what does he say?
Cheese.
And what else?
More cheese.
Extra cheese. Extra cheese. I got the little mozzarella pearls. Okay. Gonna add some of those in there too. Again, measure with your heart, folks. A couple handfuls. You want every part of this pull-apart to be covered with cheese. Okay? All right, now we're going to season. Do some salt. Okay. Do some black pepper. Okay. Onion powder. Granulated garlic. And yes, it's a lot, but it's going to taste fabulous. Okay? Italian seasoning. Again, you want every part of this pull-apart to have flavor and cheese. And now, the fun part. I'm going to start with a spoon And then I'm going to end up getting in here with my hands because you're going to want to ball this up. Get in there and squish it all together. Okay? All your biscuit dough, all your ingredients. Squish it all together. We're going to ball this up and put it in our greased muffin tins. Okay? Stuff it on in there. And these are going to go in the oven, 425. I'm going to watch them. I'm thinking it's going to take about 18 to 20, but I'm going to keep an eye on them and let you know. We are back with our wheel winner, which was Supreme Pizza Bites.
Woo! Yay!
This one over here is a little excited. All right, well, this is what they turned out to look like. You just pulled them apart, and then you dip away. Let's see if we can get a cheese pull out of this one. A little bit of a cheese pull. Let's give her a taste. Mm-hmm.
I want some!
That's pretty good.
Let me try.
Here.
Am I gonna burn my mouth off?
No.
That's fantastic.
It tastes pretty good. It's got a lot of good flavor to it with the beef and the pepperoni, all the cheese, the garlic. Marinara is just perfect. I put a little Parmesan cheese on there. This is really fun. Really, really fun. The crispy, oh, the pepperoni got really crispy. Look, a little baby pepperoni.
Hell yeah.
They got nice and crispy. This was a good wheel winner. Try this as a snack, as an appetizer, or in this case, this is probably our meal tonight. Well, it's got protein and veggies and cheese.
Gotta go.
As always, wherever you are today, you are loved, you are blessed, and you are part of our family table. Bye for now.